Hey, today we're chatting about the Morning Rising Mini Quilt Class. I'm happy you're here. All right, in this class, we are going to make the Morning Rising Mini Quilt. This is a part of my future book called Book of Mini Quilts, and it's going to come out later this year. And in this book, we are creating small quilts to fill a wall. The book is going to have 16 patterns, and we are creating mini quilts in this book that can be created, hung, and enjoyed over time, and decorate your walls. Morning Rising is a confident beginner project featuring a double-pointed Dresden plate. We're going to do some straight line quilting, and there's a couple of different options for finishing the Dresden itself. If you've wanted to take on a Dresden quilt, but think a bigger quilt is a little bit too much, this is going to be a lot more approachable. There's one single Dresden plate, okay? All right, throughout this class, we're gonna work step by step on this project. So it's going to start with creating our background, quilting our background, making our Dresden plate. Then we're gonna cut and sew our Dresden plate together, and then, add it to that background. And I've got two different ways for you to finish it. I've got the traditional top stitching method, and then I have adding some free motion into it. So you're gonna choose which one works best for you. It doesn't matter which one you choose. All right, for quilting the background, we're gonna use our domestic sewing machine, and we are going to use a Hera marker. I'm gonna show you all about this. You don't need to have this. You can use a butter knife turned the opposite way of cutting, and it works just as well as this, but this is there if you need it. All right, and then the part that I am most excited about is the hanging. It's going to hang with fabric loops. So in the other mini quilt class that we had, we worked our corner pockets. You can use the corner pockets again, or you can follow along and learn these fabric loop options. All right, so the class is currently in progress. I will add a chapter a week or so. And once the class is completed and it's there and all the lessons and chapters are done, the class will live on at Quilty Class for you to join in at any time. Again, this is a self-paced class, so there's no being somewhere at a certain time. You can come to this class when you want to and have everything ready for you. The class also comes with the pattern, and it comes with a Dresden template, but you have the option of using the ruler. I will use both in this class so you can see how to use both of those options. I hope you decide to join this class with me. We're going to have a lot of fun making this one, and it's so little and cute and adorable, and it'll be a nice addition to your mini quilt wall.